Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's program is going to be, as you have seen on the thumbnail, this is going to be one-day itinerary for the trip in Imphal area. Sina Imphal area the akoi nomada itinerary da kai tawbu yabagi niko. Especially people who are coming from outside. This kind of itinerary can be followed, and so we will be showing what all we're going to see today. So it's going to be fun, but before starting the vlog, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon if you're new to this channel. So first we are at Classic Grand, where we're gonna receive our guest, from where we will be going to different places. So with me here, my partner Jimbas. So he's going to be the guide for the day, and our taxi is already there, so we are just waiting for the guests to come down. Sini akoi program se ngasi ge tour ama tawani ngasi ko Imphal area da ado koi guest to ji Classic Grand lo bulak pani moi ngai ngai se aduga mathang Imphal area da kai yeng ba yabno amugi ngasi. So hello, good morning Prithvi. Good morning Parikshit.
Hi.
So here Jimbas going to be
Hi, wow, pleasure meeting you, Jimbas. There, the morning time jungle is so beautiful.
So first stop after getting out of hotel is the War Cemetery. War Cemetery during Second World War. As we know, Second World War started from 1939 till 1945, but for Manipur and the Manipuri people, it was from 1944. Was it 1944? Okay. We faced the wrath of Second World War starting from 1942, and it ended in the July month of 1944. But the actual onslaught was started. What happened from March of 1944, and even though the iron effort was so much high, Indians did not know that the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was coming from northeast side, and then they were
The army was aided by the British.
Yes, sir, it was.
So they had the weapons and everything.
Yes. So Manipuris who took part alongside the Britishers, and then there were Manipuris who supported the INA also. Okay, so it was mixed. The Manipuris did not know whom to support. They did not know why the Japanese were attacking. So after War Cemetery, we are now going towards Kangla Fort, and this is Kangla Gate. Kangla Fort Kangla Gate sidagi mukjangan ka. Sina Madingo Nursing High Pajayji statue. Massive. Iconic. Surrounding, so we came from this side, the northern gate which I showed you. We came from this side, we passed all of this out waterway. Kangla, we are here at Ima Kethil, the largest women's market in Asia. So let's explore this again. This is Nupi Kethil 2. Get some Indian vibes here. Let's go across the road. Market is like this. It's like this market is as old as nearly 500 years, and so this is the main market. Male are not allowed to enter here and do business. I mean, like, they are not allowed to sell anything, but only the married women they will be selling it. Dhoti time only. We go in like dhoti. And this is a lengyan. This is like a scarf. So this is unisex. You can use by both men and women. So they'll just wear it like this. That's it. It's cotton. And this is silk. सी क्या पिया and in the night they pack it and they leave it here and the market is sealed. Yeah, market is sealed and someone is there to take care of it. It सब एक होता है कि गायब नहीं होना चाहिए.
Earlier they used to hang in
This one,
market where they sell most fruits,
I think,
vegetables,
and fish
everything.
market is there. No?
Yeah, fish.
Fish
everything
market is also there.
Black sesame seeds. Chai. It tastes nice. It tastes good.
Snacks. ले लेते हैं. क्या लोगे? We'll take.
You want? You can have it if you want.
We'll just have it. Snacks on the go.
Sir, एक खा लो ये black sesame seeds है.
Women empowerment. Only men need to be taught how to live with it. And everything is in place.
Wet one. Wet one is gonna give a big cake.
अच्छा कच्चा वाला.
हाँ कच्चा वाला. Those are Beatles wet one. You give all those big cake with that. Then these are banana leaves. Banana leaves for all puja sacred work. Special. Saring thungba.
Okay, we call it iromba. It's basically no. It's not. It's similar to chutney, but it's not टमाटर. इसमें टमाटर नहीं है.
कुछ भी बताओ आप. Food कैसा लगा?
अरे यार, it's too much. Very traditional, delicious Manipuri food. Good experience, but not. At least 2 people can finish it. The food good enough for 2 people.
We are done with the lunch from Lakshmi Kitchen as now we are going towards the polo ground, Kangjibung.
Okay, so now we are at the polo ground, outer polo ground. The match is still going on. We can go.
Or is it number 4 check? It will be number 4 check Taka.
Yeah, we're done with the polo match. We couldn't get to see the whole match, but after 3 chakkars, I mean like on a third break.
Very interesting it
Yeah,
was.
it was very interesting.
Very interesting.
Sir, any comment?
Very interesting for us to see polo in Manipur. We've been used to seeing polo in Rajasthan on bigger and faster horses, but this is, I think, the original polo.
Pony.
Where polo originated from, and very excited.
Yeah, excited to see the polo in the birthplace itself. Generation artist, 4th generation family artist. So videography is not allowed inside. So I'll just show you the building there. We're done with RKCS Art Gallery. So any comments, sir? Anything?
Oh, very nice experience. Lot of Krishna paintings, lot of historical paintings, fantastic brushwork. There are 2 floors. The artist himself paints the live painting sessions can be seen, and the brushwork is very fine. You have some very fine miniature paintings to be seen. Good place to visit.
Okay. Next we'll be heading to Shri Govindaji temple. So after Govindaji, we're heading off to Hapta Kangjibung, one of the main venues of Manipur Sanghay Festival. Today